Danny on the track, boys.
Hey guys, so it's Sunday, November 10th. You guys always love coming with me to get my nails done, so I'm about to go in and get my nails done. I haven't had them done in a while, maybe like a month. I just been trying to let everything breathe. Usually I get like my nails done constantly, so I just been taking them off and letting them breathe. But I'm about to head in because I'm a little bit late. So yeah, and please, oh my god, don't mind my makeup in this video, you guys. Like, I literally rushed so bad. guys, just got back from my nail appointment. This is what they look like. I actually didn't ask for this. I asked for more like a French V-shaped style, but he recommended this and I actually really like it. So I'm about to go get my toes done. I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm just going to get like a basic gel pedicure. I'm sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder, but my makeup looks so bad. But yeah, I'm about to go get my toes done, so let's go. Okay, so both of the places I go to get my, well, the only two places I will go to get my toes done, usually I go to like this one guy, but like one time he messed up and I just kind of started to go into this other place, and this place is a little bit nicer. Like they give you like champagne and stuff or wine, but it's like 4:48 and they said they close at 5, so they're not taking anybody. But on the website it says 5:30 and they can quickly do like a nice gel pedicure in 30 minutes. But he said that the 5:30 are their like summer hours, so in the winter they close a little bit earlier. So okay, cool. And then I rolled past the other one and they seem to be closed. There's all the lights are off, there's no cars in front, so I guess I'm gonna have to get my pedicure done in the morning, because I mean, like, I obviously can't get it done right now. I kind of want to get it done today, so like everything could just be done and I could just, you know, not have to worry about that stuff, but clearly it don't look like it's happening.